Hey everybody, it's Neil, and why am I on the floor, you ask? Well, because my outlet is over here and I'm trying to do a demonstration and opening of an electronic device. And I didn't have any other power outlets that were free because I'm charging everything since I just got back from a trip. So we got this. Oh, I want to show you what it is. It's the Pulloon, and it is a 15-inch digital photo frame. So how cool is that? It's going to be nice and big, and I'm just going to bring some garbage over here so I can put stuff in here without my dogs eating it up. And let's see, let's open this up and check out what's inside. Okay, so we have whatever this is. I'll take all the boxes out and then we'll start going through things. How about that? Wow, this is a big frame. Yeah. So I'm used to like a little 5-inch Alexa, so this is huge compared to that. Okay, so we have the box there. So this is obviously the digital frame. So this is what it looks like here. And it looks like we have the ability to take it out of this frame so it won't have this whole black border on it and everything like that. But let's see. Okay, I have to put this on the floor right next to me now while we go through some of the other stuff. This is the manual. This is, so that's going to be the stand, I think, to hold it up, and the power adapter. What do you think this is? Oh, this is a wall mount for it. How cool is that? So if we really want to mount it on the wall, we could do that too instead of having it on the stand. But for right now, we're going to put it on the stand. So let's see, we'll put it this way here. So it looks like these things clip in over here. And it'll go that way and then slide up. And then it would just be like that. So there, that's how it stands up there. And then the wire will go. Let's see, where do we plug in? On the bottom. It looks like it's got places for a lot of different devices here on the bottom. We've got and we have the port for this thing here. Then we have a micro USB, USB, it looks like a headphone jack, and an SD card slot. Excuse me, doggies. So that's what we've got going on down there. So we will plug this in, and it'll start warming it up, hopefully. And we probably want to take this off. And it will load up here in a second, I think. So in the manual, let's see what we need here. So it tells us all the different brackets and whatnot. And here it's the U-Hail. I guess that's going to be the software. So now we're going to have to set this thing up. So let me set it up really quick. So my language will be English. We will connect up to my Wi-Fi. Let's see. Okay. So whatever it's doing, it's doing. So let's see what we got here. Let's see, there's, not a ton of information here. Just talks about plugging it in as we did. And then we have the U-Hail software. So let's see. I think I have this from a different device. So let's see if we still have it. I do not. U-H-A-L-E. So this is it here. It's U-Hail. And let's see, what do we have here? Set time zone. Let me go set up some of this stuff here. So it's the time zone is, we are in Central Time. I think it's -5, Chicago. And I guess the rest of it looks good. We'll just call it frame for the name and the room. Okay. So there we go. We got the software. And we are loading it up here. So let's see. So settings. And let's see if we add a friend. So here we go. So we can add it. Visitor login. Okay, so let's say we have a picture that we want to upload. Let's just find one here. Why do I have a weird gallery? Oh, because this is my iPad. Okay, let's just say we have a picture of me and my son. So it says no frame connected. So let's try to connect one here. Let's see, frames, scan a QR code. So we will allow, and we will QR code it. So bind successfully. So we will go to there, and we will do next. Select recipients, next, and send. So let's see if we got it. Or did we do it? History. 90% up, and there we go. Now we have a picture on there. So how cool was that? So we got this going in like 5 minutes. We had this whole thing going, and we have our first picture of me and my boy. So how cool was that? So I'm going to say this is super easy to do. The software was, ridiculously simple. You just basically install it and connect it up. I didn't even have to create an account. So really cool and really easy. And that's it there. So let me try to upload a couple of other pictures and see what happens here as we're going. So let's go back to gallery. I wonder if I can upload like multiples. Let's see if I hold my finger down. I can do 1, 2, 3. Let's see, I even probably have a video somewhere that I can try to upload. I don't even know what this is a video of. The attic, sure. Oh, photos and videos cannot be selected at the same time. Okay, so let's just send these current ones and then we will do a video. So next, send. So I'm trying to just send a video that I had done of the attic. So we'll see what happens here. So here, new photo received. So here's a couple of pictures that I uploaded. And I guess if you turn it sideways, does it automatically? Yeah, it'll automatically go. So you could go up and down if you wanted to for the pictures instead of sideways. So kind of cool. You can go either way. And let's see, did it send? So let's see the history. Let's see if it sent my video. It says it's sending right now. It's 30% sent, 60% sent. It's a big video. And I don't know, 90, almost there. So close. And you see, it's just super simple software to use. And so it's been sent, and it says a new video is received. And there it is. How cool is that? So if I turn it sideways, and there's even sound too. So there's me looking at my attic with sound on a video. So super cool. So I'm gonna say this frame is awesome and it's huge. Thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.